Hi, my name is Loxman, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up Google Search Console for your website. So before we start, make sure you open up the Google Search Console website, and once you have signed up it will take you to this page. So what we will do is we'll add our property here and then verify it. So I'll just add my website here, and then so just supply your website and tap on continue, and what it says is it says us to verify the domain ownership by adding a DNS record. So what I'll do is I'll just copy the DNS record. Okay, let me add a txt record here. And save it. So I've just added a txt record here is asked, and then it might take some time for the DNS propagation. So let me tap on verify, and it will try to check if the txt record has been added. So it says it has been added. That's it. So now let's go to the property, and the first thing I want to do is I want to submit the sitemap. I'll just submit my sitemap, so Google will crawl the website and then slowly index our pages and posts. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.